Before going on my next little adventure, I wanted to fix a couple issues I was having with my fridge freezer. First, I was having low voltage alarms, and secondly, I was having trouble the freezer keeping up with the setting I had at minus 10 degrees. I'll open it up and I'll show you what I did. I drilled a 4-inch hole through the floor. I installed a vent underneath the floor, keep the critters out. I also installed a 4-inch silent running fan on top to suck the air out. The fan is controlled by electronic thermostat. It's set for 24 degrees Celsius, so as soon as it's over 24 in the back, the fan will automatically go on and it'll automatically shut off. To beat the low voltage alarms, I rewired 6-gauge cable from my circuit breaker to the back, and now my fridge freezer is connected to the 6-gauge cable, and I have not had a low voltage alarm since. It's great to be on the road again. Headed out to a little rest stop that's called Lake in the Woods, and it's supposed to be a nice little area, and I'm going to stop by and have a look and maybe grab lunch. Found a way down to the lake. Well, I'm not the first one, but it's a little steep. Oh. Enjoying the view. I wish I brought my other camera down and would have made some great pictures. A quick trip through Hope on my way to Hope Slide area. I was 10 years old when the slide happened. I think the first time I saw it was when I was 12. Another little feature I added, I call it my safety feature. I can turn on my side lights and front lights through my Wi-Fi on my cell phone. Tonight I'm going to make some chicken soup from scratch. It'll start to finish, it should be ready in about just over 20 minutes. I'll start with celery. First I'll cut 2 celery sticks. I'll put half of them in my pressure cooker. The other half goes into my blender. I'll cut up some carrot to put in the blender, and also cut 1/4 small onion to put in the blender as well. Then I'll add some water to the blender and turn it on till it purees, and then I'll cut up the rest of the vegetables to put into the pressure cooker. Now I'll cut up the rest of the carrots and put in also red pepper and yellow pepper into the pressure cooker. Now that the puree is done, I'll dump it into the pressure cooker. I'll also add salt, pepper, and paprika, along with nutmeg and garlic clove. I'm going to add chicken breast thawed out and fill it till it's 2/3 full. Put it on, fasten it, I'll have it on high for a couple minutes while it starts to steam. Then I'll turn it down low and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Okay, took the pot off the stove. Make sure there's no more steam. Release the handle. Remove the lid. Put it here for now. Take out the chicken breast and cut it. It just sort of falls apart at this time. You know it's done. Sure smells good. Chicken back in. Stir it up a bit. Grab my ladle. And there we have a delicious bowl of homemade, healthy chicken soup. Tonight's dinner, chicken soup made in 20 minutes. I'm going to enjoy that with an English muffin and some green tea.